Hello everyone, my name is Rahim Asum Raja and welcome to MarketSmith updates. So in this video I will share insight on how the market performed last week and also how the trading in the last two trading session have been, the action that we have taken in our portfolio and what we are watching closely in upcoming days. Our goal is to keep things simple and easy to understand, ensuring that both experienced traders and beginners can easily grasp and know exactly what to focus on this. So we'll start from Nifty 50. So this is the daily chart of Nifty 50 and we can see in the last week Nifty 50 was holding near its 100 DMA, but the start of this week, that is on 2nd of April, I guess, no, on 1st of April, the index has breached its 100 DMA. And yesterday, the index has tried to show some strength and it has managed to close on the positive note. But yesterday, as we know, that there was too much noise about the reciprocal tariff, and Donald Trump has charged us 26% reciprocal tariff on India. So let's see how today's trading session can be, and what it impacts on the index and how the volatility we can see in the market, and depending upon how the overall sentiment impact here. So it would be a very interesting session to watch. So if the index is breaching this support level, as we can see in the chart, like the index is trading above its 50 DMA by just 1.45%. So if that is breached, which is placed around 22,998 to be very precise, that is 23,000. So if that is breaching that level, then we can expect some more volatility and it can attract more selling pressure as well. So let's see how the index is behaving. The next one is updates on the market Smith India portfolio. So in the last week, we have not added any stocks in our portfolio, and also we are having 12 stocks as of now in the Market Smith portfolio. So there is no addition last week, and even in these 2 days also there is no addition in the Market Smith portfolio. And this is the O'Neill market overview that we used to send it every day, from where you can have the updates of the overall market and our placement of the market status. So currently we are in the uptrend, means a confirm uptrend, because on 18th of March we entered a follow through day, and after that we are still in the confirm uptrend. So that is one we can take it from here. Also we can have the idea of global market overview. So overall you can see it here. Then you can see the major market indices and sectoral directions, from where you can conclude that which sector is in which market status, like whether it is in confirm uptrend or it is still in the rally attempt or looking for follow through day, or whether it is in the uptrend under pressure. So these are the section that you can monitor it from here. And after that you can see like O'Neill sectors and industry group analysis, from where you can have an idea that which sector is doing good. And if you scroll it down, you can also see that what are the stocks that we are watching it very closely. So you can see it like in this we are watching Marico, we are watching Pradeep Phosphate, Mahindra and Mahindra Financials, State Bank of India, and many more. You can just check the chart and just you can do a single click and it will show you the chart. So I would just like to show some of the random stocks here that we are watching it very uh, uh, closely. And this is the one of them, like Marico. If you look at the Marico chart, it is forming double bottom price formation, and it is 5% to the pivot level. It has reclaimed its 200 DMA as well. If you look at its volume spike, so it has shown above average volume in yesterday's trading session, and also reclaimed its 200 DMA. So that is a positive sign. So let's see whether breakout is taking place or not here. If we'll talk about its APS strength, which is 61, that is fair. Buyer demand is C. I think it will attract some more buying interest and buyer demand will improve gradually. The next stock is Pradeep Phosphate. It is just forming the cup pattern, and let's see whether the breakout is taking place or not again here as well. And it is 14% to the pivot level. In the past two trading session, if you look at it, then the volume spike is very good here, above average volume, and it has also reclaimed its 100 EMA on 1st of April, and it is still trading above that. So let's see whether it is holding above that 100 EMA, or it is still maintaining its buying interest, or whether it is entering in the bullish trajectory or not. It is a matter of time. So we are actually eyeing on these stocks very closely. Like that, Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services. So Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services is actually trading in the, you can say, if you look at the weekly chart of this, it is trading on consolidation based pattern, and it is still not out of wood. It is actually trading with resistance, or it is trading with the flat, we can say. But overall pattern is, it is consolidation, it is in the consolidation phase from past 5 to 6 months, we can say. So let's see how the chart improves and how the price action improve. But looking at its 3 days trading session, where it has attracted selling pressure with above average volume. So we are also eyeing on this as well, whether when the price action improves on this. And EPS strength is 85, bad demand is again see here. So let's see when the bad demands also gets improved. The next stock is SBI State Bank of India. So State Bank of India is looking attractive as of now, because from the recent low that it has taken on this date, like just 1 second, here on 3rd of March. After that 680 price of 3rd of March, then the stock has shown resilience. It has tried to move upside gradually, and in this process, it has also reclaimed its 21 DMA, 50 DMA, and now it is trading very close to its 100 DMA, this line. So let's see whether the index is actually trying to reclaim its 200 DMA or not, this black line. And if it is reclaiming it and holding above that, then we can expect that maybe breakout can take place, looking at its price action and volume as well. EPS strength is good in this. It is 94. The next stock is Godrej Agrovet. So Godrej Agrovet is also trading with the consolidation based pattern, and also from 5 to 6 months, and it is still trading with consolidation pattern. And but yesterday trading session has been great for this stock, and it has gained around 4% and also reclaimed its all key moving averages. If you look at its volume spike, so volume is also good with above average volume. So these are the stocks that we are looking at. So now we are in the confirm uptrend, but at the same time there is a lot of volatility in the market. Some events are happening, like uh, tariff has been implemented. RBI policies there also in upcoming weeks. So these are the things that can actually makes the market volatile. So again, we have to watch it very closely, and we have to see how the price action, or what are the stocks that is outperforming in this market. So in this market, we have to stick to our investing plan, and we have to stay disciplined. And very important, we have to focus on those stocks that is outperforming the market, especially from strong sectors. And we also need to avoid chasing the extended stocks. Instead, we can wait for proper setup. So overall, patience is the key in this environment. So that's is the wrap for the market updates. If you found this helpful, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more market insight. Stay disciplined, stick to your strategy, and trade wisely. See you next time. Thank you so much.